Sometimes there's a wonderful story here called The Doomed Fly. Vicky told me people love it so much, so I'm going to read you 2 paragraphs. So stay awake for this, because if this is you, now's the time to take the step that the fly never took. I don't know if have you seen this book before, U Squared? It's a little book, like 38 pages, by a guy named Pritchett, Mr. Pritchett. Bryce Pritchett is the guy's name, and it's a wonderful little book. Actually, here it's called U Squared. You can get it on here we go. See it? U Squared. Yeah, you can get it on Amazon. And he was sitting at an inn not long ago, a little place in the pine trees, because he was on vacation. And he said he was sitting there, and there was a small fly burning out the last of its short life's energies in a futile attempt to fly through the glass of the window pane. The whining wings tell the poignant story of the fly's strategy. Try harder. That's what we all do. Keep posting, keep posting, keep posting, keep talking, keep DMing, keep messaging, keep emailing, keep doing it, right? Keep doing posties, selfies, doing nurturing, doing all that stuff, right? You keep doing that, but it's not working, right? It's not working. It says the frenzied effort offers no hope for survival. Ironically, the struggle is part of the trap. It's impossible for the fly to try hard enough to succeed at breaking through the glass. So you've all seen flies on the glass, right? And they keep banging on the glass because it looks like it's clear, but they are not ever going to break through that glass. We all know this. But the little insect has staked its life on reaching its goal through raw effort and determination. That's what many people are stuck doing, the wrong thing online and offline, okay? So the fly is doomed. It will die there on the windowsill, won't it? Am I right or not? That's what happens to 90% of the people in our industry who come in for the money. They die on the windowsill because they're doing the wrong thing. They're told to do the wrong thing, and they weren't one of the 1 in a million that actually hits it out of the park, like with a lottery. Okay? So it says across the room, 10 steps away, the door is open. Some of you have seen this in your car. You sit in the car window, and you turn down the window, on the side, you have to press a button and the window goes down. And there's the open window. And does he fly towards the window? No. Right? No, he doesn't fly to the window. He stays jammed on the front, on the inside, blocking your view. Why doesn't the fly try another approach? Something dramatically different, like fly to the other side, right? How did it get so locked in on the idea that this particular route, this way of doing it, is the only way to do it, and that this offers the most promise for success? What logic is there in continuing until death to seek a breakthrough with more of the same? No doubt this approach makes sense to the fly. Regrettably, it is an idea that will kill. Trying harder isn't necessarily the solution to achieving more if you're trying the same type of thing that isn't working. Have I sold you on this? Do you want to try something different? Who's ready for something different so you don't end up like the dead fly? Like all your downline and all half the upline, right? How many people signed up with somebody and they're gone already? That's like, so we're going to say, quit trying harder. We're going to shift gears and think different. And I'm going to give you an offer post checklist. At the end of this, we have a little mini class that I'm going to offer some of you that are brand new to the work that we do, show you how to actually write these things. And then, of course, we have a big program that's, of course, part of the whole deal. And some of you are already in those programs. But the whole approach here is if you want different results, you have to do different things. But before you can do something different, you have to think different. And if everybody around you is telling you the same thing, keep talking to people, keep banging on people, keep following up with people, doing these same things, then you're going to be the fly against the windshield until your effort dies. Just keep that in mind. If you don't change strategy, it doesn't matter how hard you try. You're going to quit, because humans are made not to be stupid. And if you keep going and you keep going and bang your head and nothing happens, you're not going to do it anymore. We set for that? All right. We're going to use think different. So type it in the chat. Who's ready to think different? This is different. I'm warning you right now. Totally upside down, crazy different. Are you ready? Brianna, good. All right, so let me tell you, here's what it's not about.